My name is Anastasia Kret and I'm a fifth year medical student. Last year I have intercalated in BSc in Physiology. I was very lucky to receive MRC studentship, which allowed me to go and work at Hans Knoll Institute in Jena at the Department of Microbial Pathogenicity Mechanisms under the supervision of Professor Bernhard Hube. Last year the department has published a paper in Nature following the discovery of Candida lysine. So Candida albicans is a common fungal pathogen which commonly affects gastrointestinal and urogenital tracts. And it can be particularly troublesome in immunocompromised individuals and if strains exhibit particular virulence factors. So Candida albicans produces a protein called ECE1 which gets cleaved to Candida lysine, and Candida lysine is toxic to the host and contributes to the fungal virulence. My work was mainly an extension of one of the local PhD students' projects, and we looked at how Candida lysine affects biofilm formation of common GI pathogens and the effect of Candida lysine on translocation of bacteria through the brush border in the GI tract. Just reflecting back on experience, at the beginning working in the lab was quite a bit of shock to the system, and because I had very little exposure to the lab beforehand, and it was a very steep learning curve initially of the techniques and the equipment, and of course everyone names, everyone was just new, but I was really lucky because everyone in the lab was very friendly and very, very helpful. There was a very strong sense of the team and I felt very included in that team from the very early stages. And after a couple of days following my arrival, there was a summer fest in the campus where all the departments came together and they had a fun day out. They played games, they had loads of food, and there was even fireworks in the evening. I was also got quite friendly with local PhD students, and we had a lot of experience. We got out on different day trips, so we went out hiking, went exploring local towns such as Weimar. We also attended annual Cherry Fest in Nuremberg. Also, the department has organised a team day out, and we went out hiking, and we were very, very fortunate to have a glorious day that day. Jena itself is a small town at the east of Germany, and it has a very prominent cycling culture, and I could not resist the temptation to purchase a bike and become one of the local cycle paths. Jena is also very hilly, and there's a lot of stunning scenery and forests and parks all over. Personally, when I went to Jena, I had very little knowledge of German. However, language barrier was not a problem because almost everyone in the lab knew English because there were so many workers from all over the world, and you do not feel excluded at all. I feel very happy and very grateful I was given this opportunity because it reinforced my interest in academia and research, and it provided me with lab-based skills that otherwise I would not be exposed to. I do feel this experience has provided me with an inside knowledge and appreciation of lab-based research and all the challenges it poses.